watching AppleTechBeast.
This is AppleTechBeast, and I'm back for the first time in 7 months. Yeah, there's been a bit of a gap in videos, but I'm here with an unboxing of the OnePlus 6. So I have the mirror black version, which is the really shiny fingerprint magnet type finish with the 128 gig storage. This phone also has 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is how much my £1,500 MacBook Pro had when I first bought it, which is slightly crazy. So in typical OnePlus style, we have a really clean box on the outside. It's basically all white with red accents, and then there's sort of like a shiny glossy 6 in the front, because obviously it's the OnePlus 6. And then on the side of the box it has the speed you need, because this has the brand new Snapdragon 845 CPU, a very, very powerful CPU. Not quite sure on the specs, but this phone should be pretty quick, and I've heard it's pretty quick from all the first impressions and reviews I've seen so far. Talking of reviews, I should be doing one at some point. I said I would do one with the OnePlus 2, but unfortunately didn't get round to it. But yeah, hopefully I will do one of the OnePlus 6, so keep an eye out for that. But I know some of you hate me talking about this before I get into the box, so I'll try to keep that to a minimum, and I will now get into the box of the OnePlus 6. You can probably tell there that I've already opened it. I was going to try to keep that a secret, but I've put it on upside down. Oh well, let's forget about that. So you can see the engraved 6 there, and we shall reveal the phone. There is the OnePlus 6 in all of its full screen display glory, which you can't see yet because the screen's not on. So yeah, there's the fingerprint magnet finish. But to be honest, I don't mind that. You get fingerprints on the screen anyway, and I like the sort of glossy, cold feel of glossy glass. So just a quick overview of the phone. We have dual cameras, we've got the flash and an NFC tag, the NFC thing behind there. We also have the fingerprint sensor on the back, because this obviously is, again, a full screen phone, which does mean you get the notch, but like the fingerprint magnet finish, I'm not too fussed about it, to be honest. You can turn it off in the settings, and it gives you an amazing look that you can't get with many other phones at the moment, although they are starting to become quite popular. But yeah, so we have a little thing. I think that is all the sort of booklets and stuff. I'll try to do it with one hand. Yeah, it looks like you get a case with it. So yes, here we get the SIM tool, and we get a booklet within the case that you get with it. So it's just sort of a thin plastic, like rubberized case. But if you want to protect all that glass front and back, I suppose that's what you got to do. I might use that, possibly. Not a fan of cases usually, but because it is an all glass phone, I would feel a bit nervous. So in this booklet thing, it basically tells you how to put the SIM in. Nice. Here we have some stuff. You got some stickers. Wow. I don't think you got stickers with the OnePlus 2. That is pretty cool. So yeah, you get stickers. You can stick them where you want. And some other paperwork I don't care about, and the SIM tool. So yeah, pretty simple so far. And then we have the charging cable, which I tried to package back up all neatly, but hasn't quite worked. It is again in the bright red and white finish that OnePlus have. So although this might look like a typical charging cable and brick, they're not. This phone supports Dash Charge, which is OnePlus's quick charging technology, which basically allows you to charge up to 60% battery in half an hour, I think it is. But again, I'll talk about all of that in the full review. I've also seen that the battery life on this phone is incredibly good. With my short use of it in the last sort of 12 hours, the battery life has been crazily good compared to my OnePlus 2. And even that had pretty good battery life for its time. So yeah, there wasn't much in that box, but I just wanted to do a video because I haven't in 7 months, and this is a really cool device. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video, comment on what else you want to see from this channel, because it isn't dead, I haven't abandoned it. It's just that I've left school and I've had other commitments. Also subscribe if you want to see my full review of the OnePlus 6 and any future videos. So thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.